On this week's episode of In the Kitchen with Ollie. Sweet, fruity iced tea. Ingredients. Add a tea bag to a heat-resistant jug or pitcher. I used a latte coffee mug for this. Pour in some boiling water and set aside while you prepare the rest of the drink. To a glass, add honey or a sweetener of your choice. A diluting juice of your choice. For the first iced tea, I used white grape and peach flavor. Add lemon slices, blueberries, lime slices, and ice. At this stage, adding more honey is optional. Pour the tea in. I highly recommend using a jug or pitcher to avoid making a mess. And that's the first, fruity iced tea. For the second iced tea, adding honey or sweetener at this stage is optional. I experimented with the second iced tea by adding a different tea bag to the already brewed fruity tea. Then added a blackcurrant diluting juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, a few sliced strawberries, a lemon slice, some ice berry cubes, lime and lemon slices, more berries and ice. I really wish I used a bigger glass for this. And pour in a little lemon and lime fizzy drink. Please, instead of doing what I did, brew your tea in a pitcher or jug. Make sure to stir and enjoy your very own refreshing, sweet, fruity iced tea. The first iced tea is always well received and is 10 out of 10 delicious. The second experimental iced tea received an 8.5 out of 10 rating. If you make them, I'd love to know your rating in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Love you all, and God bless.